Managing spam emails doesn't have to be a hassle. At Nuvera, we've made it simple to whitelist trusted senders and block unwanted emails. Follow along as we show you how to manage spam effectively within your Nuvera email platform. First, log into the Nuvera webmail client of your choice at mail.nuveramail.net. To whitelist an email marked as spam, start by selecting the spam folder. Locate the email you wish to whitelist and click on it. Now, look for the Allow Sender button along the top of the screen and click it. By doing this, the sender will be automatically added to your whitelist, ensuring future emails from them are delivered directly to your inbox. To block unwanted emails, follow a similar process. Locate the email you want to block and click on it. Next, select the Block Sender button at the top of the screen. Once you've done this, the sender is added to your blacklist, and any future emails from them will be sent directly to your spam folder. You can also customize your spam filter settings to suit your needs. From the Spam Management menu, you'll see 3 options for spam filtering. Normal with quarantine, this is Nuvera's recommended setting. It applies effective rules to detect spam emails while quarantining them in a folder for your review. This ensures you won't lose important emails. Light with quarantine, a less restrictive option that allows more marketing emails into your inbox while still quarantining suspicious messages. Normal, a safe and straightforward filter that blocks spam but removes the spam folder. Keep in mind that you won't have access to the messages being blocked with this option. Choose the setting that best fits your needs. Remember, we recommend using Normal with quarantine for optimal protection and control. Need help? Reach out to our support team anytime at 844-354-4111. Visit nuvera.net/support for more tips and resources. Thank you for trusting Nuvera to power your email needs.